Hello, my dear boys. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Good morning and welcome all of you to my online physics class. This is your physics revision class. Today we will try to solve SSC Mymensingh Board 2020 multiple choice question. Okay, so my dear boys, let's how can we solve SSC Mymensingh Board 2020 multiple choice question. My dear boys, this is our SSC Mymensingh Board 2020 multiple choice question. Here, question number 1 is which work the rectifier will do? The answer is D. To make the electric current unidirectional. Okay. Here, the question number 2 is pressure is a. Three statements are 1. Derived quantity, 2. Vector quantity, 3. Scalar quantity. We know that pressure is a derived quantity and also scalar quantity. So the answer is B, 1 and 2. Okay. Here the question number 3 is at which temperature the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale is same. Okay, here the answer is B, minus 40 degree Celsius. The discussion is, we know that Tc by 100 equal to Tf minus 32 divided by 180. This is the relation between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Okay. So here Tc equal to Tf equal to x, and after calculating we get x equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius, or we can write minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So our answer is minus 40 degree Celsius. Okay. Here we have given a stem. Answer the question number 4 and 5 in the light of stem below. Okay. With a screw gauge of pitch of 0.5 millimeter and least count of 0.01 millimeter, the diameter of a wire has got 7.28 millimeters. Okay. So question number 4, what is the number of division of circular scale? Here we know that number of division of circular scale equal to piece by least count. According to the stem, our piece is 0.5 millimeter and least count is 0.01. So the answer is 50. Okay. So the answer is B, 50. Question number 5. To measure the diameter of the wire, we have three statements. Circular scale needed to rotate 7 times. Circular scale needed to rotate 14 times. The rotated number of division of circular scale is 728. Here we have got the reading is 7.2 millimeter and our total number of division of circular scale is 50. So to get 7 millimeter we need to rotate 14 times. Okay. So statement 2 is correct and statement 3 is correct. So the answer is C. Okay. Question number 6. Which test is done during exercise? The answer is B. ETT. Question number 7. If we divide the unit of heat by the unit of mass, then the unit of which quantity can we get? Here the answer is specific latent heat. Okay, we know that specific latent heat equal to Q by M. Okay. Question number 8. Here we have given a figure, velocity versus time graph. Okay. The 7, the unit of heat is joule and the unit of mass is joule per kg. The joule per kg is the unit of for specific latent heat. Okay, so the answer of question number 7 will be B. Question number 8, we have given velocity versus time graph. The question is how the object shown in above figure. Here the graph is straight line due to the center. So we can say that the answer is a uniform acceleration. Question number 9. What type of friction is the friction between the wheel of cycle and the road? Here the answer is rolling friction. Okay, so the answer is C. Question number 10. Periodic motion is 3 statement. Number 1, the motion of simple pendulum, the motion of the cylinder of the petrol engine. Number 3, the motion of the vibrating tuning fork. Okay, so tuning fork is not periodic motion, so the answer is A, 1 and 2. Okay, now we have given a stem. Read the following stem and answer the questions num 11 and 12. Here the stem is the focal length of a convex lens is 20 centimeter. In front of that lens an object of 2 meter height is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 40 centimeter. As a result, an image is formed at the opposite side of the lens. Okay, here the focal length of the convex lens is 20 centimeter. So the center radius of curvature R will be 40 and the object is placed at the radius of curvature. We know that for radius of curvature the image will also formed on the another radius of curvature and the image will be same as the object. So what is the height of the stimulate image. So here answer will be 2 meter, because the image will be same as the object. Here our object is 2 meter, so the image will also be 2 meters. So the answer is A, 2 meter. Number 12, the nature of the image is, for this point we get real and inverted image and real and same size of the object. So statement 1 and statement 3 is correct. So the answer is C, 1 and 3. Okay. Question number 13, what will be the induced current if the turns of coil is increased? The answer is current will increased. Okay. Question number 14, how much Fahrenheit is equal to 40 degree Celsius? So the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius is TF minus 32 by 9 equal to TC by 5. So TF equal to 9 by 5 TC into 30T. Putting the value of this parameter, we get 104 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So the answer will be C, 104 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 15, which one is correct for the transformation of energy in case of hearing the speech over telephone? Here the answer is A, electrical energy to sound energy. Okay. Question number 16, how is the potential energy of anybody at a particular height? Here the answer is D, proportional to the mass. Question number 17, what will be the change of momentum if the velocity of a body will double? Here answer is D, will be double. If the momentum is double, if the velocity of a body will double. Okay. Question number 18, the half-life of any radioactive element is 100 years. How much time will require to remain unchanged? Here half-life means to unchanged half of the total amount. So here we get the object disintegrates into half in 100 years. So for in another half to be another half, it will take another 100 years. So it will be 200 years. And for 1 by 8 in, it will unchanged 1 by 8 in 300 years. Okay. So the answer will be D, 300 years. Okay. Question number 19. What is the diameter of the body whose mass is considered as 1 kilogram? This is the definition of 1 kilogram. Okay. So the diameter of the body is 3.9 centimeters. Okay. Question number 20. Which one is changed by latent heat? By latent heat, we know that by latent heat the state will change. Okay. So the answer will be B, state. Question number 21. what is the speed of sound in vacuum? We know that to propagate sound we need medium. So at vacuum the speed of sound will be 0 meter per second. Okay. Question number 22. Which one is the dimension of frequency? Here we know that the unit of frequency is per second, or the frequency is 1 by t. So dimension will be t inverse 1, capital T inverse 1. Okay. Question number, here we have given another stem. Here you see that a circuit, the current I is passing through R1 resistance and it will divide it into two parts, R1 and for R1 and R3. So R2 and R3. So R2 and R3 is in parallel and R1 is in series with them. So here the answer will be R equivalent equal to 1 by 9 inverse So here the answer is R equivalent equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 6 inverse 1 plus 3. So the answer is 6.60. Okay. So the answer will be B, 6.60. Question number 24, we have given that how much unit of electricity will be used in 1 month if the circuit is on for 12 hours per day. Okay, here firstly we need to calculate the power of this equivalent resistance. So we know that P equal to I square R equivalent. So putting the value we get P equal to 14.85 watt and divided by 1000 we get it in kilowatt unit equal. So P equal to 0.01485 kilowatt. Okay. So cost is used of energy is electrical energy is W equal to P into T. Here T is will be in hour unit. The circuit or the light is open. The light is here. The question is how much unit of electricity will be used in 1 month if the circuit is on. The circuit is on for 12 hours per day and for 30 days we get 12 into 30 hours. So multiplying this we get 5.346 kilowatt hour and the kilowatt hour is known as unit. So 5.346 unit. Okay. So the answer will be 5.346 unit. Okay. Question number 25. If the magnification of an object is less than 1, then the mirror is number 2 convex and number 3 concave. For convex lens we also get less than 1, magnification less than 1, and for concave lens the magnification always will be less than 1. And for plane mirror, we get the image of same size of the object. Okay, so our answer is 2 and 3. So the answer is C, 2 and 3. Okay. So, my dear boys, this is our today's discussion on SSC Mymensingh Board 2020 multiple choice question. In our next class, we will try to solve another MCQ type question. Until then, thank you, boys.